Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome back to my online class. I am Roxana Chaudhary from City Government Girls High School, Chattogram. My dear learners, how are you today? I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Today I am going to take a class from your English for Today book and it is lesson 21. So, I hope you will do the class attentively and please take out your book. My dear students, look at these pictures and try to say the name of this famous personality. In picture 1, what do you see? Yes, I hope you know he is Lalon Shah. In picture 2, who is he? Yes, he is Hasan Raza. In picture 3, what do you see? I hope you know, he is Shah Abdul Karim. So, do you know why they are famous? They are famous for mystic bird in our Bengali literature. So, you can understand that our today's topic is Hasan Raza, the mystic bird of Bangladesh. So, today we are going to read Hasan Raza, the mystic bird of Bangladesh, and please open page number 60. Now, we learn some keywords and so my dear students, I hope you will take out your exercise book and write down the meaning of these new words. Okay, number one, the word is bird. Okay, the bird means a person who writes poems and songs. Number two, mystic. It means a person who tries to search the truth and become united with God or Allah through prayer. Number 3. Meditate. It means to think deeply and seriously about something. Number 4. Pleasure. It means feeling of happiness and enjoyment, delight or satisfaction. Number 5. Crazy. It means wildly excited, insane, mad, or lunatic. Number 6. Eminent. It means famous, distinguished, notable, or prominent. And the last one, number 7. Mankind. It means all human beings, all human race, or humanity. Okay, my dear students, I hope all the word meanings are now clear to you and you have finished your writing. Now, there is a pre-reading question for you and the question is, why was Hasan Raza called a mystic bird? Dear students, you did not answer to this question now. You have to answer this question after reading the text. While you are reading the lesson, you will try to find out the answer of this question. Okay, now we'll go to the next slide and here is a passage. Read the passage silently and try to answer the question. Okay, now we'll go to the slide and here you can read the passage from the slide or from your textbook. It is not a very difficult lesson. I hope you will understand the passage clearly because I have already given you some important words. The whole passage is described in past form, especially present indefinite tense. Okay, go to the next slide. Okay. So, my dear learners, I hope you will understand the passage easily. I hope all of you have completed your reading. If you have problem, then you can read it for the second time. Okay, I hope you have finished your reading. Now this is the time to give the answer of this question. We will go to the next slide. Okay, now our question was, why was Hasan Raza called a mystic bird? Hasan Raza called a mystic bird because mystic bird means, what is mystic bird? Mystic bird means a person who thinks deeply and express his thoughts about life, death and mankind. When we go through the lesson, we come to know that Hasan Raza was a deeply thinker. He always thought about life, death, and mankind. Although he was present in this world, mentally he was not present in his world. He was always busy with looking for the truth. He wanted to make a spiritual relation with God, so he was called a mystic bird. Now, my dear students, I think all of you can give the answer of this question. Okay, now I will give you the answer and you will write it in your exercise book. I am giving you the answer in my own language, but you can change it, you can write it in your own language. Okay, okay, the answer is Hasan Raza had no special attraction for this materialistic world. He was always thinking about life, death, and mankind. In his poems and songs, he expressed his philosophical and spiritual thought about God, devotion to Him, and the spiritual relation between the Creator and the created beings. So he was called a mystic bird. Now, my dear learners, I hope the answer is now very clear to you. Now, I want to give some extra informations about Hasan Raza. Okay, okay. The full name of Hasan Raza is Dewan Hasan Raja Chaudhuri. His father's name is Dewan Ali Reza Chaudhuri. His mother's name is Hurmut Jahan Bibi. He was born on 21st December 1854 at Sunamganj in Sylhet. He was died on November 1922 at the age of 68. As a profession, he was landlord, poet, songwriter, and also a philosopher. Okay, now we will go to the next slide, my dear students, and we will see Hasan Raja's family status and his lifestyle. He came of a wealthy landlord's family. He inherited vast properties from his forefathers. He had no passion for wealth. He donated all his properties for the welfare of mankind. Okay, my dear students, I hope we have learned about Hasan Raja a lot. Now we are going to do some exercises. Now try to answer the following questions, and the question is in your textbook. You can follow your textbook, and the first question is, when was Hasan Raja born? So I hope you will surely you know the answer. The answer is Hasan Raja was born in 1854. Okay, number 2. Where did he come from? He came from a wealthy and landlord's family in Sylhet. My dear students, I hope you are writing the answers. Number 3. What was his childhood life? His childhood was full of luxury. He had everything: money, comfort, and pleasure. Number 4 question. Why did Hasan Raza live, live the life of comfort and pleasure? When Hasan Raza started to think about the Creator, about life, death, and mankind, he found everything useless. So he left the life of comfort and pleasure. Number 5. What was the other name by which Hasan Raza was known? The other name by which Hasan Raza was known was the mystic bird of Bangladesh. Okay, my dear students, I hope the question answer is clear, very clear to you. Now, I will give you the homework. Okay, your homework will be write a paragraph about your favorite song. So I hope you will write it properly. My dear students, I hope you will do your homework properly and you will take a photo of your homework and send it to our Facebook page, that is City Government Girls High School Facebook page. Okay, my dear students, thanks to all and thanks for being with me. Stay home, stay safe. I will come back soon with your next class. Okay, take care. Bye.